Does your Traxxas Maxx make noises like this when fully accelerating? Then I might have the solution for you. So with the stuttering problem, I went to my local RC store, and yeah, basically the first thing they told me is if I had calibrated the ESC recently. And I've never done that, so I told them no, and show me how it works. So what you basically do is you turn it off, then you turn the controller off, make sure it's off, then you turn it back on again, then you plug in the battery, then you want to get the controller in your hands. Now you want to have the throttle pedal, you want to have it on neutral before you turn it on. You basically turn it on, it's flash green, now red, then you let go of it, it'll blink once, that's neutral. Then you go forward fully, then it calibrates it, then you go reverse fully, and that green flashing, that means it's calibrated. And basically that was it. And yeah guys, that was it, that was the problem, the ESC wasn't calibrated. So I hope it solved your problem, otherwise good luck. And furthermore, thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.